Hello everyone there. I hope you all are safe and taking good care of yourself amid this COVID-19 outbreak. Well, I am Anjali and today I am here to tell you something about my new channel, Anjali Talks. As the name suggests, it's my name itself, and today I am with you all to discuss few highlights about my channel. So this channel will deal with different aspects like contemporary issues that are going around and English conversation primarily. So in this channel you will get to see how we can improve our English and take it to the next level. So I just want to tell you that what all has brought me to start this new channel, and I will tell you in detail that over a period of time I have seen so many people struggling, students, people and different professionals who are quite good at their studies and academically they are so sound and skillful, but then their English is holding back. So that made me to start and launch this particular channel. It's not been just a day that I realized. Instead, it was quite a long since I have been witnessing this kind of thing. So that has led me to start this channel. And I also am well aware of this fact that English is something that you can't neglect in this particular era, because if you are good at English, your half work is done, what I believe. And I have seen many people in interviews, they can't perform good in their interviews, and that's where they are lagging behind. Else they are quite good at other things apart from English. So importance of English cannot be overlooked. So that has made me to come in front of you all with my new channel, Anjali Talks. And if I talk about my journey of learning English, so it didn't come naturally to me. I also had to put so much of efforts to it, and now I can say that I have brought my English to a certain level, and that's why I firmly believe that if I can do this, so can you. So it is not impossible. You too can do it and excel and ace this particular language. So now I am moving further. I just want to tell you that what will be the process of learning. Yeah, obviously you must be very keen and interested to know that what will be the methodology and how we will progress with our subsequent series. So I'm here to tell you that this will be the possible roadmap for our further series. So as we know that LSRW is a formula which means learning, speaking, reading and writing. These are four important, I can say, golden letters that can make our work so easy. If we focus on these four elements, then we can take our English to the next level. And now I'm going to tell you all the three elements that I'll be focusing on. First would be vocabularies, second would be sentence structures, and third would be speaking, which is the most important thing. So these things will go hand in hand. It's not that we will do vocabularies first and then we will move on to next things. Instead, we will go hand in hand. Like we will touch vocabularies and then structures and then finally speaking. So these things will be interblended so that our journey remain very smooth, and at the same time we progress from easy to moderate. So that is going to be the future plan of our learning process. So this is a brief what will be the roadmap of our learning, and I'll try to keep my sessions very simple so that all the viewers in whichever level they are in, they can easily connect and do good with it. And this will be the roadmap. And now I would like to tell that it is going to be a two-way process, because I'm also someone who is open to learn, and I also want to upskill my existing knowledge base. It's not just that I'm there to teach you. Instead, I'm going to learn so many things from you all, because everyone is unique and everyone has individual qualities. So I'm gonna take it from you all. And at last, I want to just tell that I'm keeping myself very positive about this launching, that I'll get good results, and I'm also ready to upkeep myself with you all, that whatever inputs you will give me from time to time, I'm going to improve my performance in these series. So with all this, I'm taking goodbye for now, and yeah, stay tuned, stay connected. Thank you for your precious time. Anjali Chauhan signing off. Thank you.